There you are. Together.
Aren't we supposed to be together?
Ordinarily, we'd be taking your intake separately, but if Dr. Masters is breaking with tradition today, I will find you some pencils. Now, the questionnaire is essential to our research, so just think of it as eating your greens first.
Well, I think we can skip straight to dessert tonight. In fact, take the questionnaires home. You can mail them back to us. I'm sure Mrs. Johnson can provide a stamped envelope. Tell her to remove the pins from her hair. They'll interfere with the leads from the electroencephalogram.
Which actually we won't be using tonight.
Actually, we will. Tell her to remove her earrings as well.
Bill, we're collecting data on male respiration during climax.
Not anymore. Subject F26184 is multi-orgasmic. We were discussing her sexual history while you were... wherever you were.
Mimeographing the questionnaire so that we can collect a comprehensive sexual history.
Nonetheless, multiple orgasms is a notable phenomenon, one we don't encounter often. And a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
Am I the bird or the bush?
You're a volunteer. And if you would prefer to start with something more basic, like male respiration during climax...
She's already said she wouldn't. You can sustain your plateau state during multiple episodes of female orgasm, can't you?
We've only allotted 30 minutes. Bill, we have 2 more coming in at 10 o'clock.
I imagine they'd survive the wait. Just like I did this morning when you were half an hour late.
Should we wait outside?
He knew just what to do. He's duck and cover.
Pam?
Duck and cover. He did what we all must learn to do. You and you and you and you. Duck and cover.
Pam?
Hey, I came over early and sent her home. I hope that's okay.
And the kids?
Comatose since 8 o'clock. I was kind of hoping that would buy me sleepover privileges, as long as I'm out of here by the time they wake up.
And we'll see how it goes. The last patient tonight passed out the second she climaxed. I thought, we've killed her. We've killed our first subject. Bill said it was the
Vasovagal response. It's like a power surge in your central nervous system.
Is that related to the vagus nerve?
Which leaves the medulla, exiting the skull through.
The jugular foramen.
Bill's gonna be working for you.
What's the matter? Too many qualified applicants. I don't understand. You already have a job at the university.
I have a fellowship. I applied for a permanent staff position and didn't get it, which is the same as being fired.
But why? Your patients adore you. They get pregnant just so they could hang around your office.
My patients aren't the provost of Washington University, whose daughter I didn't marry.
Do you really think Scully would do that?
I'm an idiot. I should have seen it coming. I'm gonna have to throw myself on the mercy of the court. Obviously, I don't want to leave.
Well, that makes 4 of us.
You look about as beat as me.
Bill, on a good day is no picnic. It's all gotten so strained for weeks now.
You know, I never asked you exactly what went on with you and Bill.
Our participation in the work became complicated.
You know what? It doesn't matter. Whatever forces made it happen, I'm here now. And that's all that matters.
If it comes from that.
I have checks for your signature. One for the new slide projector. I never paid Lester.
Virginia, you have signing authority. Use it.
Don't take it out on me if your bedside manner is costing you patience.
Well, that woman was not a patient. She was a volunteer.
In the study? Was she a solo participant?
Unfortunately, no. Otherwise, she wouldn't be pregnant. She brought in her test results. 3 months. Claims she had no other recent partners.
Oh, my God. That poor girl. What was she asking for?
Something I'm not at liberty to give her. She came back to find out the name of the man she was paired with in the study.
Who was she paired with?
I don't know, and it doesn't matter. Anonymity is the bedrock of our work. I am ethically bound to safeguard the privacy of all participants, hers included, if the roles were reversed.
You mean the man had gotten pregnant?
Diaphragms have a 6% fail rate. We have paired over 200 couples. Given a large enough sample, accidents are statistically inevitable.
Accidents? We were talking about a baby conceived in one of our exam rooms.
By a volunteer. No one forced her to participate.
You cannot pretend that we have no responsibility.
We made a promise to protect the identity of our subjects. We can't go back on that.
We have to do something.
Well, something was done 3 months ago. We drew up an ironclad legal waiver. She and her partner both signed it, meaning we are not liable for any unintended consequences.
You know the heat blast from an H-bomb can incinerate a telephone pole 2 miles away? What do you say we get out of here and take a drive?
I'm a casualty.
I'm a doctor. We're a perfect match.
Civil defense is nothing to joke about. And you should be thinking about your wife at a time like this.
Wonder if the secretaries are friendlier in Moscow. What?
I don't understand.
Honestly, we're as shocked as you are. Her name is Flora Banks.
First of all, you never told me their names. They were simply numbers, night after night. I have no idea.
She's blonde, 26 years old, 5'7", average size breasts, typical areoli.
Everyone has typical areoli.
You were paired with her on March 10th for one episode of missionary coitus lasting 6 minutes, 18 seconds.
This is a joke. What about all the other guys you paired her with? I mean, I was paired up with maybe a dozen.
She only had one partner in the study and no boyfriends. She filled out a detailed sexual history.
Look, this is your problem, not mine, okay? It's your study. I was basically an organ donor. And if she didn't use protection, then it's...
Her diaphragm failed. It happens more often than you'd think.
6 minutes and 18 seconds. What does she want from me? I mean, does she want money? At least balances our checkbook. She's like a bloodhound.
I have no idea what she wants. And I'm not saying this is anything other than extremely unfortunate, but I thought you deserved to know. Well, here's her name and her phone number.
What did Bill say about all this?
Just forget about Bill for a minute. I am willing to help here in any way I can.